Hey guys, Amanda here from Sell Spend Travel. Honey Bunny's behind the camera videoing for us today. And we are coming to you with a Goodwill Bluebox unboxing. The last one that we got was really great, so I decided to go ahead and grab another one. You can find these at, I think it's goodwillbluebox.com. I'll link it in the description just to make sure I'm telling you the right one. They have all kinds of boxes. They have jeans boxes, shoes, mixed clothing, which is what we've got here. There's jewelry boxes. There's just all different kinds of things there. So make sure you go check it out. The big deal is that they only are available at 6 p.m. Eastern time on Fridays. And once they go live, they sell out super, super fast. So you have to be there and be ready at 6 o'clock. And then even then you may not get what you want. So you just have to go in and just hope for good luck. So we're going to go ahead and open this one up. It should have 10 to 12 items in it. I don't know until I open it how many's actually in it. And we will see. But that makes my cost $2.50 to $3 depending on if it's 10 or 12. The box is $29.99 shipped. So it's $24.99 plus I think it was $5 shipping on it. And they ship really quick. So like if I ordered on Friday, I usually have it by the following Tuesday. And they come from Florida, and I'm in Virginia. So if that gives you any, if that helps you out there with the time. So here it is. Here's the box opened up. There, it looks like there's a belt this time. Ooh, a belt. All right, so this says 12 pieces. So that means we're at $2.50 an item, assuming that there are truly 12. So we'll go right out of the gate with the belt here, and it is new with tags. And the brand is HB for Honey Bunny. I don't know what HB stands for, but I will look it up. And this is a reversible belt, size 42-44, and it's got a tag here on the back that the cost of it was $44.50.
I'm not getting it.
In the store. Okay, hold on. How about now?
Yep.
Okay. And it's just, one side is just this brown, but it's got a little texture to it, feels like. Brown, and then just black on the other side. So there we go. That's the first item. And that looks good. It doesn't look like it has any damage or anything to it. So that's good. And then next, ooh, I feel shoulder pads. Shoulder pads. This is David's Bridal. Is the brand name here. And it's gold colored. It's got a fancy little hook up here. I bet this actually probably went with a dress of some sort. Maybe there's a dress in here that goes with. We will see. But anyway, just long sleeve. Just a nice little cover up, like if you're wearing a strapless dress or something like that, and you just need something to help keep your shoulders warm. Going to and coming from the party. All right. And then next, this is a dress. Montu would be my guess. There's the label. Got it? Mm-hmm. This is cute. Oh, this is like a romper, like a jumpsuit. So it's got little flutter sleeves and little tie waist there. And there's the bottom. This is really cute. All right. All right. So there's that. And then next this is Under Armour. This looks like a men's from the cut on the back there, but it's just one of those performance quarter zip deals. And it's a good size too. It's a 2XL loose. So we used to sell a ton of these. We haven't really picked up any Under Armour lately from the Goodwill store or when we're going thrifting, just because it is so oversaturated on eBay and they just don't sell for much anymore. It used to be you could get at least $25 or $30 out of them, but the last time I looked them up, they were going for, you know, like 10 or 15. So we will see on that one. This looks like Under Armour too. Oh no, this is Prince. So Prince is the name brand here. And basketball shorts. And they've got pockets. They look like a good size too. They're extra large, so they should be all right. And they'll ship first class too, so we should be able to get something out of those. A few dollars. And then next we've got, this is just a woman's basic top here. Oh, Monterey Bay. So this is definitely not a brand that I would pick up if I was thrifting or yard sailing or, anywhere else. It definitely, generally does not sell for a huge amount of money. But it's a nice little cute yellow basic top. It's good for springtime. It's a petite extra large, so that's kind of a specialty size too. So just have to find the right buyer for it. But we'll list it nonetheless. All right. Oh, we got sparkles. And this was a 2-piece garment originally, it says. So maybe the other piece is in here. This is Alex Evenings. And this says size large. And this is just a, a basic tank here with sparkles on it. We've gotten Alex Evenings before in liquidation boxes and things. And I think we've sold 1 or 2 pieces, but nothing crazy. But originally, it retails in the store, I think, for a bit higher price. I'm actually going to set this somewhere separate because I don't want all this glitter to get all over everything. Still like it already has in this box. So maybe the other pieces in here, we'll find out. But we've got a North Face.
For your face.
For your face, as Rally Roots says. Hoodie. And this looks to be in good condition other than all the glitter on it. But I can get that off. And let's see, this is a size XXL, so that's a really good size too. And it's got the little kangaroo pocket there in the front. And it looks to be in good condition. I don't see any stains or nicks or pulls at first glance on it, so that's cool. I honestly don't know how much North Face is selling for at this point. I think it's kind of gotten oversaturated too, but certainly we'll still get something out of this. So, and then next, we've got a skirt, it looks like, and the brand on this is Donna Morgan. I'm not familiar with Donna Morgan at all, so I'll have to look it up and see. But it's got nice little pleats here at the bottom, and the material in between the pleats is sheer, so that's really cute. I like that. I like that. There's the back, so just a nice basic. Oh wait, maybe this is a dress. This is a dress. It's a strapless dress, not a skirt. I had to look at the front there with the darting. So there you go. It's actually a strapless dress. It's really cute. So that'll be good. I have trouble taking pictures of black, solid black items. It's either overexposed or I can't get the details in the garments to show up exactly right, and they're just a pain in the butt, but I'll figure it out. All right, so next, this is an Express 1MX slim fit extra small shirt, still new with tags, so that's good. It's got the tags on it. There's the back, and I'm guessing, so this is a men's because it's 13 to 13 and a half. So that's also extra small, and men's doesn't necessarily sell very fast, but it will sell eventually, especially because it's new with tags. And as long as I price it right, that's the main thing. So, and then next here, this is Chico's, and Chico's does pretty well. And this is a size 1, which I believe is supposed to be the equivalent of a women's 1X. And it's got a little bit of a gold shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that there from there, but long sleeve. Looks to be in good shape. I don't see any stains or holes or anything anywhere there. So there's that. And just a couple more items left. Everything has got glitter on it. Good gracious. All right. This is Talbot's. That's pretty. Just a rose floral top there. And I can't tell if it's polyester or if it's silk. Let's see. I think it's polyester. Yeah, polyester. So, but that's a good basic top to have. It's good for work or going out or to church or wherever. It's kind of versatile. You can do whatever you want to do with it there. And then let's see, last but not least, another black item. This is Karen Scott Women, and this is just a top here. Can you see all the glitter on it? So, and we've sold a lot of Karen Scott. We've also gotten it in quite a few liquidation boxes. and it does fine, especially the plus size stuff. And this has got some stretch to it, and it looks like it's in good shape. So it doesn't look like it's too faded or anything like that. So that'll be fine. So I think we'll definitely make our money back on this, certainly with only having $30 invested. It's not, I don't know if it's as good as the last one that we got, but I'm not unhappy with it, and I would certainly buy another one. So that's it, guys. That's everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this content and videos like this, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. We're having tons of fun doing these videos for you. And also make sure you check out the video that I did. I just put it up a few days ago, and it's for the actual what sold and the true net sales from the boxes that we unboxed in March. So, and I plan on trying to do one of those every couple of months, just to give you true numbers of what we've actually made of the things that we've unboxed here versus just making assumptions of how much we think we're going to make. So there you go. So please go check that out. I'll make sure I link it also in the description below, and you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.